Hello and welcome to my channel ClipNext. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit check using mobile app, and we're going to do with Citibank. So let's start. You want to open the Citibank app, and once you did, log into your app using password or fingerprint or PIN, whichever you have enabled. Once you're signed in, it will take you to this dashboard, and on the bottom of the screen where it says account, payments, services and profile, you want to tap payments and then deposit checks. Once we are there, we are going to select the account, checking or savings, whichever you have, and then we want to enter the amount exactly as it's on your check. So here is $52.70. So we are going to enter that. Next, we are going to tap on the camera icon to take the picture of the checks. So it will give you this a frame or a guideline. We want to make sure the check is aligned with the guideline, and once it captures, continue and flip the check. Now before taking the picture, you want to make sure you want to sign the check between the lines. Once you have done, align the check again and capture the image. Sometimes you have to zoom in and out your phone to capture it, and once it will align, it will capture the picture and hit continue. Now you see the pictures of your check here, and you can flip the pictures using this icon to make sure the front and back image of the check are there. Now on the top right corner, you see this submit button. You're going to tap that, and once you tap that, it will give you this confirmation screen, which means that the bank has received the images of your check. Now to see this transaction, you're going to click on the account that you have deposited the check, and you will see under the transactions that it is pending. It will take 2 to 3 business days for the bank to process it, and you will also receive an email notification on the progress. And make sure to log out. And two very important things. First is the checking or saving account that you are depositing to and the check payable to, the name should be the same. It should match. And second, the check can be issued from anyone like your friends, family, company or employer, or from any bank like Wells Fargo, Chase, Bank of America, Citi Bank, Credit Union, etc. will be able to deposit using the mobile app. And I have also other videos for the US Bank and Bank of America on how to deposit mobile check. So check that out. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.